Assam government at the moment looking at a love and jihad case at the moment and also looking at making sure that there are amendments in the state law. Now, it was the Uttar Pradesh government led by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath that enacted significant amendments to its anti-conversion law. And now, Assam government is also looking at bringing in a law for imprisonment in cases related to love jihad. Speaking at a party event on Sunday, Assam Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sarma said that his government will enact a law against love jihad with provisions of life imprisonment as punishment for all the violators. He further went on to say that the decision regarding land deals between Hindus and Muslims, something of that sort will also be implemented under the new law, which will be mandatory to secure Chief Minister's consent for all such deals. On the other side is the Congress party, which has come down heavily on the Hemanta-led Assam government, accusing it to only trying to divert attention from all the failures of the state government so far. Meanwhile, the chorus for anti-conversion law is being raised in the state of Maharashtra also. BJP leader Nitish Rane has announced that he shall be meeting with the Chief Minister of the state and the Deputy Chief Minister advocating for a law against love jihad. Listen in.
हमारी हिंदुओं की जनसंख्या कम करने का कार्यक्रम ये इनका माध्यम ये जिहादियों के माध्यम से शुरू है। उनको ये देश को इस्लाम राष्ट्र बनाना है 2047 तक। इसलिए मैंने कहा हमारी जनसंख्या कम करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो हम भी कुछ चुप बैठेंगे नहीं, हम उतने डबल स्पीड से उनके आंख पे जाएंगे। हम भी यही चाहते हैं कि जिस तरीके से लव जिहाद के केस हमारे महाराष्ट्र में बढ़ते जा रहे हैं तो जल्द से जल्द ये लव जिहाद और धर्मांतर विरोधी कायदा हमारे इधर लाया जाए। इसके लिए हम भी और ज्यादा कोशिश करने वाले हैं।